In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Task Track Counter to ClickUp Dashboard. By the end, you'll have a clean real-time number on your dashboard that shows exactly how many tasks match your criteria, all powered by ClickUp's calculation card. Start by heading to the ClickUp login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. If you use another method to sign in, that's fine too, but for this walkthrough, I'll proceed with Google. Select the Google account associated with your ClickUp workspace, and wait a moment for ClickUp to load. Once you're in, open your dashboard area. If you have multiple workspaces or dashboards, make sure you're in the one where you want this metric to appear. From the dashboard toolbar, click Add Card. A gallery of card types will appear. Choose Calculation. This card is designed to pull data from your tasks and return a single value, like a sum, an average, or in our case, a count. After adding the calculation card, click the small settings icon on that card to configure it. The first thing to set is your data source. This tells ClickUp which tasks to include. You can point it at a space, folder, or list, and if needed, switch to a specific location that reflects exactly what you want to track. For the most accurate number, pick the narrowest location that represents your reporting need. For example, select the list that holds your current sprint or the folder for a specific project. If you work across multiple teams, double-check you're in the correct workspace before you continue. With the data source selected, open the Measure dropdown. This controls what the calculation card returns. Choose Task Count. As soon as you select it, the card will calculate how many tasks match the data source you defined and display that total. That number will update automatically as tasks are created, completed, or moved within that scope. A couple of quick tips to keep your count meaningful. If the number looks higher or lower than expected, revisit the data source and confirm you chose the right space, folder, or list. Also verify that you are viewing the dashboard associated with the intended workspace. If you use statuses to separate active from done work, make sure your underlying task locations are set up consistently so the count reflects what you care about. And that's it. You've added a task track counter to your ClickUp dashboard using a calculation card, selected your data source, and set the measure to task count for a simple, reliable snapshot of your workload.